Hello again, CYA directors. This is a quick tutorial on how to create division and team pages for your sport. Okay, so again, you're going to do this on the website page, which then will allow you to roster coaches and players to these teams on the admin side, but you have to create the teams first. So this is how you do that. So again, I'm going to use boys basketball as an example. So I'll click on that. As you can see, there's 3 different divisions of boys basketball already. And if you click on one of those divisions, it'll show you all the different teams that are in that division. So this is how we create that. So again, I'm going to go to the boys basketball page. Okay, I'm going to turn on edit mode. And one of the other things edit mode does is allow you to build pages. Okay, so I'm on the boys basketball page. I clicked edit. Click on pages, it'll show you the 3 different divisions that are already there. But for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to add another page. This is a division page. Okay, this division is going to be 7th and 8th grade. Currently it's disabled. So you're going to create a new division. Division name 7th and 8th. Short name, I'm going to keep the same. And then abbreviation, I'm going to go 7-8. Okay, and you got to make it public so then it will actually show up on the page. So create this page. All right, so there you go. Now there's a 7th and 8th grade division as well as the other 3. So then if I want to create teams in that division, I click on it. So now I'm in the actual 7th and 8th grade division page. Click on pages again, and I'm going to need to add a new page. Okay, this time I'm adding the individual teams for the 7th and 8th grade division. So select existing team, no, I'm going to create a new team. And this is going to be boys basketball 7-8. We'll call it Schmo because it's Joe Schmo is the coach. I put this by the coach's name. I'm going to make the short name the same, just copy and paste, and then SCHMO for the team abbreviation. Gender, male, female. Don't mess with the colors at all. That's kind of standard for all things across the site, so don't mess with that. And then you do want to leave this clicked yes for including in team standings, because then when you enter scores later, it will automatically do standings for all of the different divisions. Again, you need to change it to public so that it is public and can be seen. And so now under the 7th and 8th grade division, there's Joe Schmo's team. Let's add a second team. Okay, because it'd be hard to have a division with only one team in it. Okay, so this is going to be boys basketball 7-8. We'll call it Jablonski. No offense to anybody with the last name Jablonski. So then we'll copy and paste, and we'll make the abbreviation JAB. Again, make it public and create the team. Okay, so now you've got 2 teams in the 7th and 8th grade division. Obviously, you could add more if you need to, but that's how you do it. And then you'll be able to roster kids and roster coaches to these teams on the admin side, which I will show you in a different tutorial. All right, thanks.